Okay, this is just a quick unboxing of the Ikadoo Android TV box. So this is the box that it comes in. An Ethernet cable here, just it's the one thing that it doesn't actually come with, and I've heard that having it plugged in gives it a much more stable connection just for streaming. And so yeah, we get stuck in just to show you exactly what's in the box. As I say, it comes in pretty good packaging. Quick look at it there. It's the front of it. The Skype, YouTube, Netflix, Facebook, and Twitter. So that box. Like so. Just two. Okay, so this is the main unit itself. Okay, let's have a look on this side here. We've got an SD card slot, 3 USB ports on this side, 4th USB port, SPDIF, an AV, full HDMI, Ethernet cable port, and this is your power input port. So that's the main unit itself. Put that over there. Just a standard power adapter. HDMI cable. This is the new addition in place of the AV cable, so it's given a much better quality transfer of content. That's the remote control. It's the basic remote control, but certainly due to start and get things going. Let's put it in the box. And user manual. Not that anybody will read that. That's it. Put that over there. Okay, so there's it. Main box. Gone through all the ports, and that's basically it. So the only additional thing that we need to get, or that you have to buy that doesn't come in the box, is the Ethernet cable. But you probably have about 10 of these hanging around the house. If not, very easy to get. They're about €5 less than that, and highly recommend it. It does have a wireless connection, but by plugging it in with a cable you get a much more stable connection and be able to stream the movies better, because the point of this is having the HD movies, so it'll work perfect on wireless, but much more stable if you can get an Ethernet cable. That's it. New HD cables in the boxes instead of the AV cable, which is really good. So that's just a quick unboxing, and hopefully we'll have a few more videos with installing it and getting you up and running.